We're at the Equipment Connection, phone number 892-3915. That's in the 406 area code. We have here a 2000 Ford 550 industrial commercial work truck for sale. It has a 7.3 liter diesel engine in it. It's in great shape, runs good. Looking inside the cab, you can see that everything in the cab is in good shape here. It has stabilizer arms when you raise the boom. Okay. Here it has a Versalift 36-foot aerial bucket lift on it. It has controls on the deck and in the bucket as well as the deck with a lower and upper arm. It has a 360-degree turning radius, and the bucket telescopes out. And again, that's a 36-foot lift boom. There's the bucket. There's a utility cab on it. Driver's seat. Again, it's for sale, $16,500. Again, we're at the Equipment Connection at 892-3915.